This is the popular Northern Thai chili paste, Nam Prik Num. My philosophy kitchen inspires me to be delightful to share the adaptable simple recipes and easy cooking process, pairing together with 3 practices that make me feel great and feel young. I pick to feel like 25. You have to pick your number. First easy step is to cook all raw ingredients. You may pan grill, oven bake, air fry, whichever way that adapt well with your equipments. Our mind too is the raw ingredients that need to be processed. My number 1 practice for me is to put the right mindsets that I could transform the way I feel from the inside out. Adding more mushroom for additional nutrients, which original recipe doesn't have, is the same way that I practice my second guideline. For me to improve my belief to the next level, I believe in power of my body to rejuvenate and thrive. I also allow that youthful energy radiates in everything I do. Blending all ingredients together is the best final process before you could enjoy this tasty dipping paste. It's the same way my third practice allows me to appreciate and be grateful for the incredible vessel that is my body. This menu is super yummy. It adds flavor to your dish, serving as a spicy dipping paste for both main dish and snack time. Drop me the comment what do you think, and we'll see you here again, the kitchen of wisdom, creativities and motivations. Until next time, please remember, we are young at heart, and that is the best.